Hi guys, for today's vlog, I'm here in the City Hardware Bugo. We will be shopping a water tank, plastic water tank. And we will be buying all the parts that will to install the water. And we will be buying also a water pressure pump. And here we will be shopping here. This is the store.
What pipe did you use it?
We buy the 1500 liter.
Yeah, but what pipe did you use in your house?
Ay, guwapo kaayo nga diri. This is Mr. Engineer.
You do like this many times.
Guys, they are very friendly and approachable here. So, we will be buying the tank. Shopping mi ng tank for water. Pressure tank. They have also hose here. They have hose, water hose. And they have all the electrical supply here, like the electrical bulb lights. We have different kinds of lights. Because we will be buying water tank here, plastic water tank, and including the water pressure tank.
Electrical box.
Water pressure pump na, no? Huh? Water pressure
Electrical box, sir, is right over the
and all the parts that we are going to install. Welcome to the vlog.
Balik-balik mo sa City Hardware.
Balik-balik, bigyan balit may tangki.
Tara mamay.
Saan ko iyahang gida?
How many pieces? Oh, 4 no. Only one. How much you see?
This one here, that's 3/4.
Mas may hagdan na. Hi, ma'am. Welcome to the beauty. Ayun yun guys, yung symbol ng Ryan guys. Oh, pakita sila yan kung saan mo symbol sa union. Oh, naon na
Ang ulo mo siya na imo din ipatlag balik.
guys.
Do you need this one, sir?
No. Hindi may gamit eh.
Ako helicopter din na ang traps ba.
Right. Electrical bit.
Ganda mo sa pag-load sa hagdan guys. Naon na pala pagtikang ko. Ay, wala siya magamitan kung nami ko ang taas. Naon pagkat-kat. Bugaw.
Og mga guys, walang hagdana guys, kay hulma ni sinulog. Hulma ni sa sinulog din po.
Hagdan sila guys, kay kusog yung uwan guys, malubong ang gaon.
Ginawan doon.
Oh, Mani si engineer ko an. Saan na yabo? Saan na yabo? Uy.
Danghag lang daw sa.
Saan na yabo?
Oo na, danghag lang daw sa mo.
O saan na?
Tubig. Water guys. Water dispenser.
We have also here guys different kinds of saw, electrical saw, and different kinds of pliers, level, different kinds of drill, electric drill, and they're also selling garbage bucket for garbage. And we have also this different kinds of screw, different kinds of blades, screw, and we have also this. Everything that you need is here for building houses and tools. Meron din sila guys na mga doorknobs. We also buy doorknobs here, locks, padlocks, and doorknobs. Different kinds of doorknobs. Different kinds of doorknobs. Here, you can also buy this kind of doorknobs. So these are expensive doorknobs. There is also very good quality, 5,000 for the doorknobs, but they are very good quality. And they also selling safety box or this way. So deposit here only at Citi Hardware. Locks. Different kinds of mats, carpet mats. We have also ladder, the ceiling ladders, and we also selling rocks, shop, and also these tables and chairs.
Nice.
This garbage was for 1,600. Focus, di man focus. They have also vacuum cleaner, electrical. Different kinds of lights. Look at that. And this all the switches.
Ang gwapo, naabot ang gwapo.
Osman.
This one.
So,
Matawag doon. Guys, muna ako sa mistake guys. Huwag na daw itong ngipon, dali mo pa ibot. During that time, I'm still swimming at my father's.
pila ang edad ni mo dong?
Try tama.
30 ka bata pa ni. Siman din eh.
Siman eh. Siman yung apelido mo ba? Yung apelido Siman.
Ah,
Wala, contact. Ako lang, magpuli eh.
Scotch tips ha? Ay, packaging. Grabe ang tigiyan na daw.
baligya para ba na niya. Uy nga, gini mo dong.
Ade, yung gitistingan gumod.
Gana ba dyan?
Balikon ba?
Balikon ba?
Smile niya.
Tistingan nga dia.
Dala. Katag tayo git.
Ato na ba?
Na.
Washing guard nga 1.5. Bane. Then usa ang plastering bit white. Usa ang stainless maso. Then usa ang elbow nga degree uno. Usa ang compression fitting.
Eh, this one included din. Apil pa rin eh.
Okay, mo pa sir. 2635. Usa na lang, na? 12 items. 3, 4, 5, 6. Nagigitigan pa rin mama. Kaya sa lagi. Usa gid na siya kato ng 304 na. Ha? Usa 1.5, di ba?